Welcome to How to Copy a Photo so that you can create a painting image from your photo image. Hi, my name's Elise Beattie. I'm the Fearless Artist and I'm here to help you. Here's a photo image and I want to turn it into a painting, but how? I need a line drawing that I can use as a roadmap prior to my painting. Following is a simple method of copying your photos onto a surface that you can paint on. For this video, I'll be using Strathmore 140-pound watercolor paper. My favorite product to use when I want to copy an image is Serral graphite transfer paper. But wait, you don't have any graphite transfer paper? Don't worry. Check out the following steps to make your own. When a copy paper is not available, and you can't get to the art store to buy Serral, this is what you do. You take a piece of white paper and using a very soft pencil like a 3B or a 4B, I start rubbing the back of my paper with my pencil. I change directions and I rub a second coating. I keep rubbing the back of the paper, alternating directions until I get a nice dark carbon paper look to it. When I'm done, I take my photo image, I lay it onto my watercolor paper or my canvas. I like to use some tape, and I tape one edge of the photo so that the registration stays true and doesn't move around. I slip my graphite paper underneath my photo, and then I begin to copy each and every line that I see in my photo. As I am copying the lines in the photo, here the land, the tree, the water, I make sure that I'm putting a nice amount of pressure on my pencil or my pen so that the graphite creates a copy onto the painting surface. I copy any of the important marks or lines that I see that I want to have included in my drawing. The tree shapes, the sky, the clouds, the water waves, whatever I want. When I'm done, I remove my graphite paper, remove my photo, but my lines are a little too light for me to see, so the next step involves just redrawing each and every line so that I can see it, and it works as a quality roadmap, helping me to make my painterly decisions. Well, that's all, folks. You are now ready to start painting fearlessly. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good painting time.